Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a bargain bike special. Now our bargain bikes don't go out on the front line. We have a separate area for them. And we got good deals on these bargain bikes so we can pass the savings on to you. This particular bike is a 2008 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. It's got the 96-inch motor with the 6-speed transmission. It's got a couple of nice upgrades on it. It's got the upgraded foot controls. It's got a nice aftermarket engine guard here. It's also got a nice and comfortable saddleman seat, and it's studded to match the studded bags. It looks real nice. It's got the passenger backrest. Got a little bit of upgraded trim here on the rear fender. Looks like a little custom pinstriping. It says Lone Wolf. It's pretty cool. Over here it's got the upgraded heel toe shifter. It's got some nice upgraded grips. Nice and comfy for your fingers. And we got a cool Harley Davidson motorcycle skull derby cover there. See how many miles we got on this bike. Looks like 25,734. I'll fire it up and let you listen to it. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Now these pipes, they look factory, but they definitely don't sound factory, so I'm guessing the baffles were removed. Gives it a nice tough sound. Now there's a few areas on this bike, some minor blemishes. The reservoir cap here for the brake master cylinder is peeling up a little bit. Same with this rear master cylinder, a little peeling, nothing major. Got a little spot here on the fender, a little rub. It's also got a little wear here on the handlebars. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can visit our website at cleanharleys.com and check out our full inventory. We take in almost anything on trade, and we ship bikes all around the world. So we'd have no problem getting this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.